laptop is an all-in-one solution, but adding a bunch of accessories may bring your laptop experience to a new level. My name is Nick, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my favorite laptop accessories divided into 4 categories: general, charging, memory, and for desktop use. By the way, most things mentioned in this video are suitable both for MacBooks and Windows laptops, so this video may be useful for you no matter which laptop you have. Starting with the general category, I have to say that M1 Macs have wonderful screens. But they are glossy, and glass is single piece which has minimal gap between it and keyboard when laptop is closed. And let's face it, this screen collects fingerprints straight from the air. I guess that's the real reason for the name. Jokes aside, you will definitely need something to keep your screen clean. This can be any microfiber cloth actually. I picked a brand one for $3 here in Ukraine. It's pleasant to the touch and leaves no stains or fibers when used. Downsides? Well, it's not made by Apple. I never used any kind of cases or other protection for my laptops. My Acer Nitro 5 is used as a stationary desktop alternative, and my previous travel laptop, Lenovo ThinkPad T48s, felt like it could protect me from the bullet. And its components, including top and bottom case, were cheap and easily replaceable. But then I switched to M1 MacBook Air. Don't get me wrong, MacBook has great build quality thanks to its solid aluminum unibody design, but it is so compact and thin and smooth that I am constantly worried my MacBook would get scratches and dents, or that I would simply drop it thanks to its shape. And repairing Apple laptops is crazy expensive. So to keep my wallet safe and my mind free of stress, I got this matte silicone case for M1 MacBook Air. There are tons of options available. Most of them are crap and feel like those rubber TV remote covers. This one is different. It is matte, feels premium, does not interfere with the opening and closing the lid, and has 4 rubber legs on the bottom. One thing to know. It does affect thermals a bit. Here's the test video expert with and without cover. The one with cover took longer because of additional thermal throttling. I bought my case for around $15 from AliExpress, and I will leave the link to it and all other accessories mentioned in the video in the description down below. If you're a lucky MacBook owner, you would probably need one of these. And if you own the newest MacBook Pro, you may still need this for such ports as USB-A's, RJ45 and VGA. As I have mentioned, Ugreen 10-in-1 USB-C hub has 3 USB-A, 3.0, Gigabit RJ45, VGA and HDMI port, 3.5mm audio jack, SD and TF card readers. Moreover, it allows for 100 watts power delivery pass-through charging. Metal body, big port selection and great value. It costs $40. Oh, and by the way, it fully supports Samsung DeX, but that's a topic for another video. Consider subscribing to this channel to stay tuned. If you have a laptop with Type-C charging, this group of accessories is for you. This is gallium nitride charger, so it's quite compact and doesn't heat up too much. This one is from Baseus, a reputable China brand, and I have personally used a lot of their products with no issues for many years. This charger comes with Type-C and Type-A USB ports and can handle up to 45 watts of power to each. If both ports are used, it can provide up to 18 watts to Type-A port and up to 30 watts to Type-C port. And it's more compact than standard Apple 30-watt charger. Baseus does offer 65 watts charger at a similar price, which has more juice and additional Type-C port, but it produces high frequency noise when plugged in and not charging any device. I don't know if you have the same problem as I did. This issue may be fixed already or maybe not, so if you're going to buy 65 watts charger, you have been warned.
You've been warned.
Or you can even pick 100 watts charger, which is maximum for Type-C charging. This is 20,000 mAh power bank that can charge your laptop up to 45 watts via USB-C. And thanks to fast two-way quick charging, this power bank can be charged up to 50% in 1 hour and can take fully charged in about 3.5 hours. It can provide up to 53 watt-hour for your laptop. I got mine in 2019 and it's still going strong after 2.5 years. Sure, power bank capacity dropped 20 to 25%, but it's still enough to get almost a full charge for my M1 MacBook Air. Moving on to storage. If you have a non-upgradable drive in your laptop, hello Apple, getting external storage may be a cheaper alternative to buying a larger SSD straight from the factory. And it's also more versatile. You can switch between multiple devices, keeping all your files you're working with on one drive. If you need something almost as fast as your internal SSD, take a look at NVMe enclosures. I would suggest picking the one from Ugreen that I love and use every day. You can connect it to your laptop using either USB-C or USB-A cable. I did review it in detail on this channel and I'll put link in the description and somewhere here. If you don't care for external drive speed, take a look at one of these 2.5-inch external hard disk drives. This one is from VD. I used them for backing up files and transferring large amount of data between devices. And once again, I have reviewed this one from VD and its rival from Seagate on this channel. This little flash drive is a real savior when I need to transfer some files from my computer or my phone. Its main advantage is having both Type-A and Type-C connectors, which makes it really universal. Move videos shot on my phone to laptop, done. Reinstall Windows on my friend's PC, here you go. Send designs from MacBook to that old computer at the print shop. Kingston Data Travel Duo has you covered. 64 GB for $10, go grab one as one day it may save you a lot of time. Using laptop as a desktop with external monitor connected can boost up your productivity. Having laptop in a clamshell mode while having only one monitor is a significant limitation. And having laptop standing flat on the desk is a no-go as it will put additional strain on your neck and your eyes. Laptop stand is a cheap $14 and easy way to solve that problem. The one I have is from Chinese brand called Lingchen. It's aluminum, has 6 height positions, rubber pads not to scratch the laptop, and can be folded for transportation. Oh, and it arrived with textile bag, which I have lost. The only thing I dislike about it is that the pins for height adjustment can jump off to another position while you're picking your laptop from the stand. Well, this is a weird thing. Deluxe 618C vertical mouse helped me stop my carpal tunnel syndrome, and I have a detailed video about that on this channel. But if you don't have any problems with your wrist and your hand, just get a standard mouse, and having a mouse is really important if you want to be more productive when using your laptop in a desktop-like stationary mode. And of course, you would also need a keyboard. Actually, this one came with a decent low-profile Bluetooth-enabled mouse, but I don't use it as I have moved to using a vertical mouse. This Repu 9300M keyboard is simple yet sleek. It has a metal frame and doesn't wobble when typing. Full-size numpad is a feature I appreciate, and it's a must for productive spreadsheets and calculations. I used the keyboard both with included 2.4 GHz receiver and via Bluetooth. You can easily jump between 4 devices, 3 Bluetooth and 1 with the receiver, with a simple combination pressed. It is powered by 2 AA batteries, which last for somewhere between 5 months and a year. When not in use, keyboard goes into sleep and is quickly waked up by pressing a button. Downsides: keys are a bit hard to press for longer typing sessions and you may feel fingers fatigue. And my white option seems to be getting dirty pretty fast. Luckily, it's also easy to clean this keyboard. Do you remember microfiber cloth I mentioned in this video before? This one is also good for cleaning a keyboard. One more note here. This keyboard is originally made for Windows, so if you're looking for a keyboard for your Mac, probably you want to pick something with the macOS keyboard layout. And we have one more accessory for today. If you are still watching this video, thanks. Here's the one cable to rule them all.
One ring to rule them all.
Being Thunderbolt 3 certified means it has 100 watt power delivery, 20 gigabit per second data transfer and up to 4K 60 Hz video output. This cable allows me to connect my laptop to a monitor while having it being charged at the same time. The cable is from a brand called ProMate. They also have a 40 gigabit version in case you want to squeeze everything from Thunderbolt 3 port. So here were the accessories that I use. If you're using something else that makes your laptop experience better, please share in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching this video up until the end. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for more videos. See ya!